Boris, where are we going?
We are going to my Uncle Yugov's house.
And what are we going to do with her?
You bastards! I'll kill you! I'll get you for this if I ever get out! I'll get you! I'll get you for this!
Shut up in there, Mary! You are not getting out!
Eyes are mine!
Something is wrong with the car, Boris.
We better take a look.
I think it is the cylinder head gasket. What do you think?
It looks a bit more like the radiator is pumping out some fluid down there somewhere.
That seems to have done the trick.
Yes, you kicking it and punching it all that time is worth the treat.
Yes, now let's get on to your Uncle
Yugov's.
Yugov.
I'm gonna get you, Borat and Boris. I'm going to get you, Borat. If it is the last thing I do, Borat, I'm going to get you.
What the fuck was that?
Hello, Uncle Yugov. How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine. Yes.
Hello, Yugov. We have something we need for you to fix for us.
What? Like what?
Like the old woman in the boat.
She has been causing many problems. Many.
She would like you to take care of her.
An old lady. I would like to do things to her. Bring her! Quickly, Boris, bring her!
Boris? Boris? We have a problem.
What? What is the problem?
Mary is gone.
Where is she? Oh no.
Mary is gone.
Uncle Yugov is going to be mad.
What? No, Mary! Ooh, you get out bed for old woman.
I think we need to go and find her.
Try this.